So in today's video, we're going to take a look at how you can increase the brightness on a video. So once again, we've got a video already on our timeline, and I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can do this. So the first is going to effects, your effects panel down here, and just search for brightness and contrast. So you just type in bright and it'll come up down here. You want the brightness and contrast effect. All we're going to do is simply drag that onto the timeline here. You're going to go up to your effects controls on this video clip, and you're going to see here we have our brightness and our contrast. And one thing we can do is we just type in, we use like 25, and you can see that like really increases the video. You gotta watch with this because sometimes you can really make something not look really nice. See, that doesn't look so good now, but you can move it up to like 25 and you can get something. Same with contrast. You gotta watch how far you go before it doesn't look realistic. It's like there, that's kind of a nice colour, but if you went to like 50 on the contrast, you don't get something so nice. Another thing you can do is, apart from using this effect, so if we turn this effect off here, see there you go, you see the after effect in that. You can come up here and on the top right hand corner, you'll see workspaces, just go into colour, and you can just adjust your exposure, and that's going to let in some more light. It's a little bit more effective. So you can see there's your exposure. Once again, you've got contrast. Highlights, this depends if you want to really fiddle around with it a bit. You increase your whites, you increase your blacks. There's so much like that. There's a few different things you can do there with the brightness levels on the colour thing compared to using the standard brightness effect. But you can also darken images this way as well by reducing the exposure and reducing like the contrast and that. As you can see, we've really made that image a lot darker now. We can increase the blacks, leave the whites down, and increase or decrease the shadows a bit, and you're going to see there we've got a really darker image compared to if we just set that one to 0, we set this to 0, we'll put that in the plus, or bring up the exposure. As you can see, that's really how you can just change an image like that within Premiere Pro. I hope that helps. Couple of cool unique tips there for you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.